Mr. President, I vote yes on Senate Bill number 1990, the Proposed Agricultural Cooperatives Act, and Senate Bill number 1991, the Proposed Agricultural and Fisheries Extension Act. At the outset, we'd like to congratulate and commend the sponsor of these two measures, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, our resident farmer senator and the steadfast champion of Philippine agriculture, for his leadership in advancing these landmark reforms. We'd also like to thank the good gentleman for graciously accepting all the amendments we propose, which we believe have further strengthened these two important pieces of legislation. Ginoong Pangulo, sa usapin po ng food security at pag-aangat ng kabuhayan ng ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda, hindi po talaga sapat ang tulong sa isang individual. Kailangan din po talaga na palakasin natin ang mga institusyon na nagbibigay po sa kanila ng suporta, kaalaman at oportunidad. Ito po ang layunin ng dalawang panukalang batas na ito. The amendments adopted by the Senate further reinforce this objective by promoting greater transparency, accountability, and effective implementation, ensuring clearer performance targets and stronger congressional oversight, protecting the rights and security of tenure of affected personnel during the institutional transition, expanding opportunities for technical and skills development through TESDA, and improving coordination among our national agencies and the stakeholders so that the government support truly reaches our farmers, fisherfolk, cooperatives, and extension workers. Sa huli po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang tunay na sukatan ng dalawang panukalang batas na ito ay kung mas tataas po ba ang ani, lalaki po ba ang kita, lalawak po ba ang oportunidad, at higit po sa lahat, mas giginhawa po ba ang buhay ng ating mga mangingisda at ang ating mga magsasaka. Kapag matatag po ang ating mga kooperatiba at mahusay ang ating extension services, mas magiging matatag din ang ating food security at mas magiging matibay ang pundasyon ng ating sektor ng agrikultura.